Hi, welcome back to O Business Consultant. Today we are back with a new Excel template and this time it is for the law firms. In order to review this model, we are going to go through these 13 different sheets. But before we start reviewing the model, you have to know that these three cells are representing the input or the assumption cells. So you have to make the adjustments in these cells while the gray cells are the linked or the formula cells, which means we don't have to make adjustments in these cells. These cells are already linked or contain formulas, so they will change automatically once you make changes in the peach colored cells. Starting off with the input sheet, here we have included all the major assumptions related to the law firm business. This includes your financing assumptions, revenue and cost assumptions. Then we have operating and capital expenditure assumptions, working capital assumptions, marketing assumptions, and so on. Now, based on these assumptions, we are going to calculate revenue in this sheet. And before calculating the revenue, we have included a customer segmentation section for each type of service being provided by this law firm. There are two main type of services: ongoing and one-time services, and we have calculated separate revenues for these services, and then a total revenue figure at the very end of this sheet. And then we have added a section for cost of sales, and these two figures are going to be added in the income statement in the subsequent sheets. Now this is the depreciation and loan amortization sheet where we have calculated the depreciation for each type of fixed asset and the principal and interest payments for each type of loan. And this is monthly. The total number of months in this model is going to be 60 because this is a 5-year projection model. This is the website marketing budget sheet. This calculates your website marketing expense monthly for each of the 60 months, and this is going to be treated as an expense in the income statement later on. This is the startup summary. Here we have compared the total funding and total expenses of the first year of the operations of any law firm, and we have also included a funds utilization summary here as well as graphs for easy analysis. This is a monthly income statement calculating the net profit on a monthly basis, and then we have used these figures to calculate net profit on a yearly basis in this yearly income statement. And then the next sheet is about the cash flow statement. Here we have calculated the net cash figures for each year and for each month, and we have highlighted the major cash flows arising from the operating, financing, and investment activities of the business. Next is the balance sheet. Here we have calculated the total assets and total liabilities and equity of the business both annually and monthly, and you can see that the balance sheet is balanced for each period. Now this is the break-even analysis. Here this analysis calculates the break-even sales point, which means a no profit no loss situation for a business, and we have also included a break-even analysis graph. This is another template. This is the project valuation template where we have calculated the NPV, IRR, and the payback period of the company. We have also included burn rate analysis and investment required analysis. Now this is the sensitivity analysis where we have calculated the NPV, IRR, and payback of the company in three different cases. First is the actual one, then pessimistic, and then optimistic cases. The last is the dashboard. This is a graphical representation of all the financials we have included in the previous sheets. Also, we have included a scorecard to highlight the major financials of the business. And that's it from today. Thank you so much for your time.